Ready for a new look on Facebook? Let's change your profile picture directly from your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook profile picture on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, you will see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it. In the Edit Profile section, you will find an Edit button right beside the Profile Picture option. Tap on it. Tap on the Select Profile Picture option. This will open your photo library. Select the photo that you want for your profile picture and tap on it. Finally, tap on the Save option at the top right corner of your screen. Your profile picture will be updated. And this is how you can change your Facebook profile picture on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.